In this segment, we're going to learn how to clean the internal parts of the filter canister. We're going to loosen the knobs. When we changed the gasket, we were able to just loosen the knob and swing it out like this here on the lid. But because we're going to do more of a thorough cleaning, we're going to remove the knobs completely. As you can see on the lid, we have an enclosed side and an open side, and that's why we have to completely remove the knob this time. We'll take the gasket off. That's part number 1022, combination cork neoprene. Then we're going to lift the basket out like so. This has all the parts that filter the ink as it goes through the canister. We have a spring clip which will pull down like so. That'll release the top scoop. We'll set this down, and we have our basket. Now at this point, those of you who have access to an air line and an air gun, we can just take this basket over a trash can and just kind of blow it. Knock all the contaminants out like this here, because the contaminants are all going to be inside here, and as we blow the air on the outside, it'll push it to the center and knock it out there. For those that don't have access to the air, we can just have a solution. If you have water base, you can just use a soap and water solution. If you have solvent based, you can have a solvent solution that you would just take and soak this in like so, and take that out of the bucket, and you can just take and knock it out on a rag like this here to knock out the contaminants. Also, there is an attached magnet assembly, rare earth magnet, with a stainless steel cleaning sleeve. How that'll work is when you release this to clean this, to pull the magnets out, all the metallic materials will fall off of this, and then you can just shake it out and rinse this also in your solution. Once that's done, you can insert the magnets into the collar again, put the top scoop back on, put our bottom scoop on, and if you'll notice, there's a little indentation in the top of the top scoop there, and that same indentation is in our spring clip. When we slide this up, that'll pop right inside that little indentation. So now this is all clean and ready to go back. We're going to take our rag and clean the internal parts, wipe out the canister itself. We'll put a new filter gasket on there. Replace the insert. Excuse me. Put our lid back on. Retighten our knobs. And there we have it.